So today we're going to review the 7-subject science portfolio, Minecraft and the Real World. This is from Thinking Tree. It's one of their Funschooling books. And these are the topics it covers: botany, chemistry, geology, meteorology, physics, technology, and zoology. Like most Thinking Tree books, you can use it for whichever grade you feel like your child is ready for. My 11-year-old and 9-year-old are the ones using it for me. It tells you how to use the book. So you'll be using a lot of library resources, the internet, YouTube. I like that this book is numbered. Some of the other Thinking Tree books were not, so I'm really glad they did that. Coloring pages, like always, I love that. So in each section, each topic has its own section, kind of explains what it is, and then you will go to the library, pick out some books, and this gives you a chance to draw what those books look like. And like some other of the Thinking Tree books, they have this section for reading time, so you can take notes and draw about what you read out of your library books that day, and do some copy work with illustrations. So each one will have its own little kind of lesson type things. So here you're drawing a cell, taking your notes because it's botany. My kids love doing the documentaries. What did you learn from it? And there's different, each different topic has its own section for the science experiment. And again, place for Minecraft comic strips. Vocabulary building. What are you learning about? Draw an example from Minecraft, example in the real world. So this will go through different lessons for botany. Listening time. I like those. Listen to an audiobook or me read, one or the other. So each topic has a pretty good sized section. My two girls decided to start with chemistry, so they've done a couple of books for that, and they have started working on it. And so then it'll have different activities that go along with chemistry. What I like about this is it gives them topics to learn about, so it's structured in that way, but then they get to choose what areas of that topic they want to study about, to make it more personalized for them, and they remember things better that way when they're choosing what to do. Lots of design times. They can kind of design their own little inventions. Thinking Tree never disappoints in the creativity department. A lot of thinking has to go into that, and that's what we want. We want them to be engaged and active in their learning. So you do have to study different kind of scientists. It has places for biographies. So here's geology. So you can kind of see each section is similar in their blank pages, but then they have different pages for our topics or activities that correlate with which science you're learning about. And it's a pretty good sized book because there are 7 subjects. So I think this, you could spend a year's worth of school doing this, depending on how detailed you want to get in it. Meteorology, that'll be fun. So again, I love how there is some structure, but I love how they stick with all the other Thinking Tree books, and that your child's really choosing what they want to learn and being involved in their education more so than just a regular textbook that says, here's everything you need to memorize, do so, take a test, be done. These allow your kids to really take the time and get involved, use their brain more than you would a regular textbook, I think. and just help them to actually have a deeper understanding of what they're learning while having fun and being creative. Makes it seem like learning is more fun. So here you can kind of just get a hands-on look. Lots of fun pages in this one. And you do not have to go in order. We didn't. So you can see it repeats. That's fun for physics. So I hope you guys are able to see better what these are all about. Feel like you got a hands-on look. If you have any questions, you can comment below, and I can show you anything else you need to see. But this kind of helps. I always like to be able to really get a look before I purchase something, so I know if it's going to be a good fit for my kid. I know for my kids, these books have turned out to be really great, and we enjoy them a lot. And because they're having to research on their own and not just getting every answer right out of a textbook, it means that we're all kind of learning together, because I'll help them in their research, or they'll come to me with more questions. We'll all read together. And when you have to look up something yourself, you remember it more than when it is just given to you on a piece of paper. Stuck together. So you have a view here, just flipping through. So that's what this book entails. We are really enjoying it so far. We started with chemistry. We're still on that. So this was, when this came in, we had our big box day. This was the first book that they wanted to start out of our big box that we got. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Again, if you have any questions, you can comment down below. And don't forget, we're going to do our giveaway very soon. Bye.